Welcome to Sir Majesty Easy World. We're thrilled to have you here. Explore this informative guide specially curated for JAMB First-Timers. Topics covered. 1. What is JAMB? 2. Why JAMB? How it works. 4. Understanding the JAMB examination, format, structure, and key information. Registration process. The Joint Admissions and Matriculation Board, JAMB, is a government organization in Nigeria responsible for organizing entrance exams for students seeking admission into universities, polytechnics, and colleges. Why JAMB? Before you can gain admission into any tertiary institution in Nigeria, you must pass the JAMB exam. It ensures a fair evaluation of students before they begin higher education. How it works. JAMB conducts the Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination, UTME, annually. Candidates choose 4 subjects based on their desired course of study. For example, a medicine student would choose English, biology, chemistry, and physics. After the exam, JAMB sends your scores to the institutions you applied to, which then decide on your admission based on these scores and other requirements. Understanding the JAMB examination. The JAMB UTME exam tests candidates' knowledge, speed, and accuracy. Each candidate takes the exam on a single day, though the exam period lasts for about 2 weeks. After registration and reprinting, candidates receive their exam date, venue, center, and time. Exam structure. 2 hours, 120 minutes. Questions, 180 in total. Subject combination. Each candidate selects 4 subjects, English language compulsory, 3 other subjects relevant to the desired course of study. Question breakdown, English language 60 questions, other subjects 40 questions each. Total 60 plus 40 plus 40 plus 40 equals 180 questions, all multiple choice. Key rules. Calculators. External calculators are not allowed. Candidates must use the calculator provided on the computer system. Mock exam. First-time candidates are encouraged to take the mock exam to understand the process and format of the main exam. Actually, registration process. Steps to register for JAMB. 1. Generate your JAMB profile code. How to generate your JAMB profile code. 1. Open the text message app on your phone. 2. Type NIN, add a space, and then enter your 11-digit NIN number, e.g. NIN 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 0. 3. Send the message to 5, 5, 0, 1, 9, or 6, 6, 0, 1, 9. 4. You will receive your 10-digit JAMB profile code. 5. Use your profile code to purchase your JAMB PIN. 6. Take your e-PIN and profile code to a JAMB CBT center to complete your registration. Learn chemistry, biology, and physics for free on the Sir Majesty Easy World Science channel on YouTube. Call or WhatsApp 070-6516-6217 for free video links, more information, or support. Stay connected. Please follow, like, and share to help others prepare for JAMB. Have any questions? Drop them in the comment section, and I'll respond quickly. Complete your registration. Visit any JAMB accredited CBT center. Provide the following documents. NUN, a valid retrievable phone number, a recent passport photograph, matriculation number for direct entry candidates. Fill out the registration form and submit your biometrics and passport photograph. Summary. Prepare thoroughly. Familiarize yourself with the exam structure. Follow the rules. Stay updated on your schedule. Understand the registration process and ensure all necessary documents are ready. Success begins with understanding the exam format and consistent practice. Important precautions for JAMB candidates. 1. Avoid rumors and speculations. Always rely on accurate and official information. Visit the nearest JAMB office or the official JAMB website at www.jamb.gov.ng for any updates or inquiries. 2. Choose a reliable phone number. Use a phone number you have permanent access to when generating your profile code for the first time. Losing access to this number could prevent you from reapplying in the future if you need to retake the exam. Write down your PIN and keep it in a secure place as a backup. Note, Without a valid NIN or profile code, registration cannot proceed. 3. Avoid examination malpractice. Do not pay anyone to assist with JAM or engage in examination malpractice. The exam is conducted using CBT, computer-based testing, and entry into the exam hall requires biometric verification. Questions are randomized for each candidate, meaning no one can predict your specific questions. Malpractice is extremely unlikely and punishable. 4. Consult official handbooks and manuals. Look for the Handbook for Centers that outlines requirements and advisories for the Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination, UTME, each year. You may also review the Manual for Officials, which provides detailed guidance on UTME procedures. If you need access to these documents, contact me on WhatsApp at +2347065166217 or indicate your interest in the comments section. Stay informed and prepared to avoid unnecessary mistakes. Learn science for free with Sir Majesty Easy World Science. Master chemistry, biology, and physics on our YouTube channel, where we offer comprehensive tutorials, exclusive science practical demonstrations, real-world applications of scientific knowledge to solve environmental and human challenges. We also specialize in building and equipping science laboratories with quality and reliable services. Call WhatsApp +234-706-516-6217. Join us and elevate your learning experience. Stay majestic.